Okay, we having fun, Glenn?
You want that pumpkin?
Yeah, we are, aren't we? Well, did you find a rock?
Yeah.
It's a pretty good rock. Don't throw it at me. So, Mom, you're getting the wacky looking one?
Yeah. Yes, a rock.
Very nice.
Pumpkin patch, and he's excited about the rocks. Of course.
Glenn's already got a good sized one, so.
Do you want to go over there for those pumpkins? Oh, yeah, that one's rotten. We don't want that one. We're not buying the rotten one. You want this one?
Pumpkin Jackson. That's funny.
This
is a pretty good pumpkin Jackson. Look at that. Check and see if it's got soft spots, because you always like soft spots.
Do you have Glenn's pumpkin?
Yeah, that's what's in my hand here.
Isn't that a small one?
This one? Oh, I just broke the stem.
You break the stem, you bought it.
Dude, Jake, got the how many out here are broken stems?
A little one. It was this big. Look, it's green.
Just move it here.
This is white.
No, let's go this way.
This way.
So Susan, you still want this one?
I like it.
Okay.
I thought it was good because it didn't have a flat place.
This one's cute, but it's dirty.
They wash.
Well, I mean like mud.
We wash. Oh, somebody's already got it.
Hello, Levi.
Hi, how you doing?
A pumpkin. A big pumpkin.
Okay, I'll go down with you, Glenn. Is this gonna be fun? Hurry up, he's got a big pumpkin. He wants to get on. There we go.